Dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you how to make a lesson plan. This format is in English for English medium students and teaching of English subject. First of all, pupil teacher's roll number, subject, topic, then class, time and date. After this, you have to write general aid, blackboard, chalk, duster, pointer, book, etc. After this, specific aid. It may be chart, real objects, model, etc. You can use only one aid. General aims. To express the ideas of writing, to create interest among students, to improve vocabulary, to develop the ability to express ideas. Specific aim. It will be related to your topic. In this line, you will write the pupil teacher will tell the students what is adjective and its types. Previous knowledge testing. The pupil teacher will ask some questions to test the previous knowledge of students. You will make two columns. First is pupil teacher activity, then second one is pupil activity. Pupil teacher activity, you will write 4 to 5 questions, and in pupil activity you will write answers. After getting answers, you will announce the topic. Announcement of the topic. Pupil teacher will announce the topic. Dear students, today we will discuss about adjective and its types. This is also related to your topic. On the next page, you will prepare two columns on one page and two other page. On first page, the first column is subject matter. In this column, you will write subject matter related to your topic. In second column, you will write the activities of pupil teacher. In third one, pupil activity. When you will teach the students what would do, you have to write here. In fourth column, you will write blackboard work and which teaching aid are you using, you will paste here, pick. On the next page, you will do sectional recapitulation. You can put 4 questions. No need to write answers. After that, remaining content. You have to prepare 4 columns again, 2 on first page and then 2 on second page. Subject matter, pupil teacher activity, pupil activity and blackboard teaching aid. When you cleared all the topic, after that you will do final recapitulation. In this recapitulation, you can put 5 questions. You have to write only questions, no need to write answers. After that, homework. Give creative work to all the students. In this video, I told you what is the format for preparing lesson plan. Thank you. Thanks for watching.